This phone looks simple, but wait till you see what's inside. The Redmi 14C might just be the best budget phone you didn't expect. With a 50 megapixel camera, huge battery, and features that even some mid-range phones can't match. Right now, let's unbox and test it out. Hi guys, welcome back to Mighty Solution. Ola is here, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the brand new Redmi 14C. If you are thinking of getting a budget smartphones that actually deliver, kindly stay tuned and watch this video to the very end, because I am going to show you everything from the design, performance, gaming test, camera, battery life, and even what is missing that most reviewers didn't talk about. Inside the box, you get the phone itself, a Type-C charging cable, a SIM card injector, and the paperwork which is supposed to be the manual of the phone. But there is case included. Can't you see? This is amazing. In other way, you might decide to get something like this so it can protect your camera. Another surprising fact that no one will tell you about this Redmi 14C is that this phone is powered by 18-watt fast charging. So can you see? 18 watts fast charging. But Redmi packaged a 33-watt charging adapter. Can you see? This is cool. Over now to design and build. The Redmi 14C comes with a sleek plastic bag that feels solid with a matte finish to resist fingerprints. It's lightweight at around 192 grams, and the flat edge gives it a more modern look. Available in 3 colors: midnight black, sky blue, and mint green. So you have a nice option to choose your choice. Over to the display. Up front, you are getting a 6.74-inch HD Plus LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. For the price, the high refresh rate is huge win. The display is bright enough indoors, but don't expect a flagship level brightness outdoors. Now, performance. Powering this phone is the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. Now, let me explain something. This particular phone, Redmi 14C I'm reviewing, is 8GB of RAM, which is 4+4. This means the RAM is expandable. You can expand the RAM with additional 4GB, making it 8GB of RAM altogether. And about the storage, which is 128GB of ROM capacity, you can extend the ROM with micro SD depending on your choice. For a budget phone, this is really solid. Everyday tasks, social media, even light gaming run pretty smooth here. PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty at a medium settings. Now over to the camera. Here is the part everyone cares about. The Redmi 14C packs a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back, with an 18 megapixel front selfie camera. This is what many reviewers kept. The 50 megapixel mode camera gives you a higher detail shot, but it doesn't take up more storage. And also, the video recording maxes is 1080p, no 4K support. Now the battery and charging. The battery life is another strong point here. The Redmi 14C rocks a 5160 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. And also, you get a 33-watt charging adapter in the box. This is amazing. Expect around a day and a half usage of a normal use. This means you can use your phone up to 1 day and a half of a normal usage. This is cool. Now over to the software and extras. The Redmi 14C is running MIUI 14 based on Android 14 Hyper OS. Redmi promises 2 years of major updates. This means this phone comes with Android version 14, Android 14 Hyper OS. This particular one I'm reviewing, I have upgraded it to Android version 15. And it is possible because Redmi promises 2 years of major updates. So you also get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. No stereo speakers though, just a single button firing speaker, and it's cool. Now, should you buy the Redmi 14C? Well, if you are looking for a budget phone under 150k with a smooth 90Hz display, reliable chipset, and 50 megapixel camera, This one is hard to beat. But if you need a 4K video, stereo speakers, or AMOLED display, you might want to spend a bit more. What do you think about the Redmi 14C? Will you buy it or skip it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to Mighty Solution, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.